Good morning. So this is my day one of recording my daily activities towards the way of fitter life, and I want to achieve a daily step count of around 10,000 starting from today. So I have approximately an hour's time before my maid comes in. I have to be back by 7 a.m. For the past 1 to 2 weeks, has been a very heavy rainfall, so I was not able to go out. The weather is actually very nice in this morning time. I don't usually take this road for our work, but because the other road is almost submerged in water, so I had to take this high road. So currently I'm on a 2000 calorie diet with 157 grams protein, 67 grams fat and the rest with carbs. So without cutting any further down, I want to create a bigger calorie deficit by increasing my daily step count from around 4 to 5k to approximately 10,000 steps daily starting from today. This will probably leave me with a bigger room to play with the calories in the coming days. That would eventually ease out my transformation. The purpose of recording my daily activities is that I want to documentize whether through quantified nutrition and resistance training is it possible to achieve the desired physique. While doing this, I cannot compromise with my office, I cannot compromise with my daily level of activities, my family. What I can do is I can make every single minute count. Just I want to see that whether it is possible for a common man to incorporate fitness in his daily active lifestyle and achieve the desired result. From today onwards, I will be posting regular updates regarding my daily activities, my step counts and my resistance training, and forget not the quantified nutrition first. So I have completed almost 8,000 steps. It's 7:10 a.m.
I was late from my morning walk, and as a result, my maid has found the door locked and she has returned. So now I have to cook my lunch for the day. While cooking, I had 6 sets of deadlift as per my workout schedule, and it was almost time for my bus to office, so I had to keep the workout schedule on hold till evening.
Good evening, friends. I am out of my office. I couldn't complete my morning workout schedule, so now after returning from office, I have to complete the remaining workout.
The whole of Kolkata, especially the New Town area, has been submerged for the last 1 week.
It's 8 p.m. in the evening. After returning from office, now it's time to complete the rest of the workout schedule.
In the evening, I have 4 sets of sumo deadlifts, and after that, 4 sets of wall sit, and then reverse lunges, and then I will be completing my workout schedule with weighted crunch, some mountain climbers, and glute bridge. While lifting, I basically focus on lifting more weight than I have done the previous day. Basically, it is simply progressive overload. So the day is complete. I have been consistent throughout the day. I was able to complete my workout. I have taken my meals properly and I was also able to hit my step count. I feel motivated to be consistent throughout the journey. Let's see whether by following quantified diet and resistance training without compromising any of the daily activities of the life, whether a normal person will be able to bring out a transformation.